Ever found yourself puzzled about the best way to secure your future? You're not alone. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of retirement savings by comparing two popular options, the Roth IRA and the 401k. But why should you care? Well, imagine a future where you're not bound by the 9-to-5 grind, where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply enjoy the peace of your own home. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? The key to this future is making informed decisions about your retirement savings now. It's about understanding the power of compound interest, the benefits of tax-free growth, and the security that comes with a well-funded retirement account. So, whether you're just starting your career or you're well into your working years, it's never too early or too late to plan for retirement. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Stick around as we dive deep into the world of Roth IRAs and 401ks and help you navigate the path to a secure and comfortable retirement. Imagine this. You're sitting on your porch, enjoying a cup of coffee with no worries about work or bills. You're retired and life is good. But how did you get here? The answer lies in the choices you made about your retirement savings. Now, let's rewind. Picture yourself years earlier, juggling responsibilities, working hard, and trying to save for this dream retirement. It might have seemed daunting, maybe even impossible at times, but you knew that every dollar saved was a step towards this goal. You had two powerful tools at your disposal, the Roth IRA and the 401k. Both offered unique benefits, but which one was the right choice for you? This is where the journey gets interesting. In the next few minutes, we're going to revisit those crucial decision-making moments. We'll explore the advantages and potential drawbacks of both the Roth IRA and the 401k. We'll delve into the nuances of pre-tax and post-tax contributions, employer matching, withdrawal rules, and more. So, whether you're a young professional starting your first job, a seasoned worker planning for the future, or someone who loves learning about personal finance, stick around. This journey is for you. Together, we'll demystify these retirement savings options and help you make informed decisions for your future. So, grab your cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive in. Let's dive deeper into the world of 401ks and Roth IRAs. Picture a 401k as a treasure chest that your employer gives you. You fill this chest with gold and coins. These are your pre-tax dollars. The more coins you put in now, the less you owe the tax collector at the end of the year. It's a great way to reduce your current tax bill. But remember, the tax collector will come knocking eventually. When you retire and start taking money out of your 401k chest, you'll have to pay taxes on it. Now, imagine a Roth IRA as a different kind of treasure chest. This one, you fill with coins you've already paid taxes on, your post-tax dollars. The tax collector has already taken his share, so he won't bother you when you open the chest in your retirement. That's right, the money you withdraw from your Roth IRA in retirement is tax-free. So, which chest will lead you to that dream retirement on the porch faster? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your specific situation. If you're a young professional just starting out, you might expect to climb the career ladder and be in a higher tax bracket when you retire. In this case, a Roth IRA might be the better choice. You pay the taxes now at a lower rate and enjoy tax-free withdrawals when you retire. On the other hand, if you're already in your peak earning years and expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, a 401k could be the way to go. You get the tax break now when your income is higher and pay the taxes upon withdrawal, potentially at a lower rate. But remember, this is just a general guideline. Everyone's situation is unique, and it's important to consider all factors, including your income, age, retirement goals, and tax situation. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized advice tailored to your circumstances. In the end, whether you choose a 401k, a Roth IRA, or both, the most important thing is that you're saving for retirement. The earlier and more consistently you save, the faster you'll reach your goal of relaxing on that porch, worry-free. Let's dive even deeper so you can see this from a different angle. Picture your 401k as a treasure chest again. Now, imagine your employer dropping in extra coins. This is what we call an employer match. It's essentially free money that your employer adds to your 401k, matching a portion of your own contributions. It's like getting an instant return on your investment, and it's one of the biggest advantages of a 401k. If your employer offers a match, it's generally a good idea to contribute at least enough to get the full match before considering other options. After all, who doesn't like free money? Now, let's turn our attention back to the Roth IRA. One of its biggest advantages is flexibility. Think of your Roth IRA as a flexible treasure chest. You can open it and take out your contributions, but not the earnings, at any time without penalty. This can be incredibly useful in case of an emergency. It's like having a safety net, giving you peace of mind knowing you can access your money if you really need it. But the benefits of a Roth IRA don't stop there. Unlike a 401k, a Roth IRA doesn't have required minimum distributions starting at age 72. This means your money can continue to grow tax-free for as long as you like, providing you with more control over your retirement savings and tax situation. So, as you can see, both the 4K and the Roth IRA have their unique advantages. Your choice between the two will depend on your individual circumstances, financial goals, and tax situation. Remember, the best choice is the one that helps you achieve your retirement goals and gets you to that dream retirement faster. Remember, the journey to a comfortable retirement starts with a single-step saving. Whether you choose a Roth IRA, a 401k, or both, the key is to start saving early and consistently. Think of it as planting a seed. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow. And just like a tree growing from a seed, your savings will grow over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Every dollar you save today is a step towards a secure future. It's a step towards that dream retirement you've always imagined. So, don't wait. Start today. Even if it's a small amount, it can make a big difference over time. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to guide you, to help you make informed decisions about your retirement savings. So, keep watching, keep learning, and keep saving. With that said, thank you for spending your valuable time with us today. We hope you found this information helpful. Until next time, keep planning for a better future. Remember, your future is worth investing in.